In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix or stop Opera Air browser from opening automatically whenever you start your computer. So if you have this challenge where each time you open or start your computer, then Opera Air browser opens automatically, then let me show you how you can solve and fix this problem for once and for all. To fix it is quite simple. There are two methods we can use. First, go to the Start menu and then click on Settings, and under Settings, go to Accounts and then choose Sign In Options. Under this, look for the option called Restart Apps and then Privacy. Go ahead and toggle this off, and this will stop your browser from automatically opening whenever you start your computer. However, should that not fix your problem, then head over to the second method, which is very crucial. For this, head over to this Start menu, and here we want to open the command prompt. To do that, just type in run, then this will open this box, and then type in shell startup just as one sentence like that, and then click on OK. Now this will open a setup folder containing all the programs that are set to automatically open whenever your computer starts. And as you can see, Opera Air is one of them. So to stop this, go ahead and delete it from this folder. And that is it. And now from here, that problem will be fixed. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.